The second runner-up will receive 75,000 pesos plus a trophy.
Our second runner-up, Satsat sa Kalye Real, Tribo Panay!
Congratulations, Tribo Panay! You will take home 75,000 pesos plus trophy. Of course, we acknowledge Attorney Cedric Cabaluna joining us. Hello, Attorney.
For our first runner-up, Satsat sa Kalye Real 2025.
The first runner-up will receive 100,000 pesos.
And the first runner-up is Tribo And now we will announce the winner. The champion or the darling of the crowd of Satsat sa Kalye Real is Tribo Familia Sagasa!
Tribo Familia Sagasa will receive 150,000 pesos. That's a trophy. Congratulations to the champion of Satsat sa Kalye Real and the darling of the crowd. Partner is called darling of the crowd because a percentage of their scoring is based on their engagement and connection to the crowd. Kailangan nag-saot kinupon sa mga spectators na doon kang bisita. But of course, sa ating mga Ilonggo. That is why they are the champion kay sila gid ang nagdako sa tagipusoon sa mga Ilonggo. Congratulations once again, Tribo Familia Sagasa. Thank you, Ms. Joyce. And now we proceed with the awarding for Illumination Street Dance Competition. And to help us award, we have the Artistic Director, Albert Valiares. Direk? Hi, Direk.
Illumination Film Night Festivals. We start with are technical awards. For the best in performance, we have Tanglawan Festival ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And the winner is Bailes de Luces from La Castellana Negros Occidental. And the winner is Tanglawan Festival ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. The winner is Bailes de Luces from La Castellana Negros Occidental.
We would like to acknowledge our chief judges for Iloilo Dinagyao Festival for different competitions. Director Chris Miliano, the chief judge for Dinagyao Illumination. Madam Shirley Halili Cruz, chief judge for Kasadyahan sa Kabanmohanan. Sir Nestor O'Hardy, chief judge for the Young Tribes competition. And Dr. Eric B. Zerudo, chief judge for Satsat sa Calle Real.
We now go on to the next technical award, Best in Lighted Production Design. And the winner is Bailes de Luces from La Castellana Negros Occidental. Best in Light Design. is Puburulan Happy Festival from Tuguegarao City. You'll receive a trophy and cash prize of 300,000. 300,000. As first runner-up is Tacloban